due to the high demand of the YouTube viewers, we have decided to translate the calculator magic into the English version. Okay, this is an ordinary calculator. See, you turn it on.
Turn it on.
It works. Now, this calculator will teach us how to count. Okay, watch. Shift. See, I'm continually pressing shift. 1. And then 2,
3,
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Now here's the real magic. Okay. Okay.
Toy, say hi.